In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Teams account on both PC and mobile devices. Whether you've moved on to a different collaboration platform or simply want to clear up some digital clutter, I'll guide you step by step through the process. So grab your device, settle in, and let's get started. First, we need to ensure you're signed into the correct account, so head over to accountmicrosoft.com. Once you're there, you'll see a prompt to sign in. Enter your credentials to access your Microsoft account. After signing in, look for the Your Info section on the main page. This area provides an overview of your account details and settings. Click on Manage Account to proceed. Next, you'll want to navigate to the option of closing your account. This part is crucial as it signifies the beginning of the account deletion process. Find and select the option labeled Close Your Account. Microsoft will guide you through a series of steps to verify your decision. It's important to take your time and read through the instructions carefully at this stage, as closing your account is a permanent decision. You'll be prompted to review any active subscriptions or outstanding balances linked to your account. Microsoft will highlight these aspects to ensure there are no loose ends. You might want to settle any balances or cancel subscriptions before moving forward. Once you've addressed this, Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity. This could be through a verification code sent to your email or phone, which acts as an added security measure. Enter the code to proceed. Now, Microsoft will provide some information on how closing your account will affect other Microsoft services linked to it. It's important to note that deleting your Microsoft Teams account may impact your access to other services like Outlook, OneDrive, and Xbox Live, as they're interconnected through your Microsoft account. Make sure you no longer need access to these services or that you've taken necessary precautions, such as backing up important data. After going through these checks, Microsoft will ask you to confirm the deletion. You'll see a checklist, so carefully read and acknowledge the terms by selecting the required checkboxes. Once you're sure, click on Next or Continue. Finally, you'll reach the confirmation screen where you'll see the option to close my account. Go ahead and select that option. After confirming, your account will be scheduled for closure. Microsoft typically waits for a short period before permanently deleting the account, just in case you have second thoughts. During this time, simply sign in again if you change your mind and your account will be reactivated. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process to delete your Microsoft Teams account. If you have any questions or get stuck at any step, feel free to rewind this video and follow along again. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance.